All right, now let's take a look at the latest overview of the S&P 500 index as of this morning. This is from finviz.com. As you can see, it's a mix of green and red over here. But I'm going to start with the auto sector, where Tesla shows the color of green, which was up by 0.39%, and the stock price is 273.13. But under the same sector is GM, General Motors, shows a red color. It was down by 7.36%, and the stock price stood at a level of 47.20. And the last one for the Ford is down by 3.88%, and the stock price right now is 9.9%. And this is mainly due to effective of Trump's latest announcement on tariff. But latest updates on these three stocks prices as the global auto world reeled from the potential fallout of US President Donald Trump's new auto tariffs. One name stood out as less affected than others, which is electric vehicle maker Tesla, and shares of the Texas-based company were the rare automaker to trade in the green in US action on Thursday, as analysts say the EV maker's supply chain and financial performance may not be as affected by the wide-ranging levies that will impact global shipments of both cars and car parts to the United States. This is mainly due to the company's largely domestic production and supply chain. Still, that relief in the United States, where Tesla CEO Elon Musk has become one of Trump's primary advisors, may not improve the brand's reputation worldwide. All right, that's on the update of Ford, Tesla, and also General Motors. But moving on to Meta. Meta shows sort of a darker red color. It was down by 1.38%, and the stock price is 602.58, and similar sector or similar companies or stock price under communication service is Google. It was down by 1.83%, and the stock price is 164.08. But the latest updates on Meta is about where two former Meta artificial intelligence executives has raised $15 million for Utori, a startup that will develop AI personal assistants, the company said on Thursday. And the round was led by Rob Tews at Radical Ventures, with participation from other investors like Felicis, which is the AI godmother Fei Fei Li, and Google DeepMind chief scientist Jeff Dean. And San Francisco-based Utori is a part of a slew of AI startups creating autonomous agents or systems that use AI to perform actions on their own. And that's latest updates on Meta. And moving on to Nvidia, which is semiconductors, shows sort of a red color here, and it was down by 2.05%, and the stock price stood at the level of 111.43. And a similar sector is Broadcom, down by 4.06%, and 171.99 for the stock price. But the latest updates on Nvidia: CoreWeave plans to reduce the size of its US initial public offering and price its shares below the indicated range, as a person familiar with the matter told Reuters on Thursday, dampening expectations that the listing would boost investor appetite for IPOs. And the Nvidia-backed cloud services provider is now looking to sell 37.5 million shares, 23.5% less than original planned, and price them at $40 apiece, well below even the low end of the indicated range, the source added, requesting anonymity, discussing confidential information. But Nvidia will anchor the CoreWeave IPO at the price with a $250 million order, the source said, and the sale would raise about $1.5 billion and value CoreWeave at about $23 billion on a fully diluted basis, according to Reuters calculations. And that's the latest updates on US economy and also US stock markets. We have a lot more updates after this with my colleague Tamina Kausji. So we'll go for a short break. We'll be right back.